Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a bun stick for medium hair. First, gather your hair into a neat ponytail. The height of the ponytail determines your bun's final position. Next, twist your ponytail firmly from the base all the way to the ends. This creates a solid foundation for your bun. Then, coil the twisted hair around the ponytail base, forming a compact bun shape. This initial shape is crucial for stability. Now let's secure that beautiful bun. Hold the bun firmly with one hand to prevent it from unraveling. With your other hand, take your bun stick. Insert the stick through the top edge of your coiled bun. Then, angle the stick downwards, aiming to catch a small section of hair from your scalp. This crucial step anchors the bun securely, ensuring it stays in place for hours. To achieve a lasting hold, continue pushing the bun stick through the center of your bun. Guide it smoothly, making sure it emerges from the opposite bottom edge. The key is to ensure the stick passes through the hair close to your scalp on both entry and exit. This technique creates a strong anchor, preventing your bun from slipping. A well-placed stick provides all-day security. For medium-length hair, a bun stick around 5 to 6 inches long works best. If your hair is on the finer side, a slightly looser twist before coiling can create a fuller-looking bun. Don't be afraid to experiment with placement. A low nape bun offers a classic look, while a high bun is more playful. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll master this elegant style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.